Pero kung may madaanan tayong banyo.
Ha?
Kung may madaanan tayong banyo.
Banyo.
Prayer room. Sila nga.
Tamban. Anong lutong mag...
Sayang nito sa taas, no? Gawin nilang ano, amenity ng...
Siguro kapag ano, may restaurant na bumuka.
Maganda rin kasi siguro yung view eh. Pero hindi mo mapapansin. Hindi, meron pa yan. Ah, oo.
Kabaya. We're going to ride the boat, okay?
The boat?
Yes, we will ride the boat. Yes, we will ride the boat. Yeah, just pass. We need to go to the other side.
The boat?
We need to ride the boat. Okay? Yes, because the car is on the other side. We will ride the boat, okay?
You're brave!
No boat!
Yeah, just fast. It's okay. I will carry you. Okay?
Daddy will carry you. Sorry.
I will carry you. Okay? So you can ride the boat.
Parang meron pa rin silang ano, possible na may bumiling tourist kasi nga parang stopover siya ng big bus. Come please, make live. Wow. May ulapit. Ewan ko.
What happened? Ay, bibili ka ulit ng ticket.
Oo. Oh, Itong ganda dun sa Patlab, oh. Kaya lang, ang digdi.
Hindi, mabubuksan pa dyan sa park ulit.
Sabagay.
Paga na yung pinunta na ngayon. Sabi, jump. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Oopsie. Again.
Oh, yan.
Doon sa dati. Sa Vanilla.
Ay, hindi, okay na. Malayo yun eh.
I'd like to take a boat or it closes.
Meron siguro dito. For sure.
Hindi nga.
You want to try it in the
Parang lahat sila pa McDonald's. Or saan ba tayo magpa-park?
Sumali ko na tayo mag-park. Pwede din naman.
Oo, kung wala naman. Kasi mahirapan ka din maglabas sa ano eh.
Gano'n naman.
Dito kami nagdi-date noon, anak. Wala naman tayong binibilan dito. Wala. 2 beses lang kami kumain dito. Yung doon, anak. Una kasama sila si Les. Pangalawa kasama sila Jem. We're almost there.
We're going to ride the boat.
Right up, go.
We will go to the car, but we need to ride the boat first. Boat first because the car is on the other side. Okay?
Boat first, then car. Boat first, then car.
Okay? Okay?
Okay, book. That's all.
Yes. Ayun na nga ata yun, no? Hindi kaya yun.
Back, back, back.
Pero Baniyas, di ba?